Brady says you can't tell people lies about equipment just to make a dollar. You have to be honest with your viewers, and that's okay. I agree, uh, but there's a difference. I believe in the product. Um, this I don't believe in. This thing, you know what? Just to prove a point, that's where it belongs. That's where it belongs. It's a piece of crap. We shouldn't be selling our brand new hams on garbage. Something that's overcomplicated. Guys, we've got to preserve the hobby. We've got to save the hobby. You're not going to add strength in numbers with overcomplicated. You got to go into command line to do this and that and the other. You can't get the Bluetooth to tether. You can't get the radio to talk to it. It's overmodulated for whatever reason, even though you've gone through and checked everything. We've got to do better. We've got to do better as a collective hobby.